Hey Sparks, welcome to this video. Mega reminder here. When you say yes to others, make sure you're not saying no to yourself. I needed to hear that myself today, and probably every day. Alright, so this is something that I do when I need to just unwind, relax, and have some anxiety going on. Simple exercise that I'm going to do here. Right now I'm going in and just creating letters that are going to say grateful. I am super grateful. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I'm grateful for my breath today. And just being able to create this time with this piece of paper and pen and being able to absorb, what I need to think about and healing processes. It's just so stressful sometimes in life. And the more I clean out, the more I am realizing that there's so many memories tied to so many different things. And I needed to unwind here. So I just dug into myself and said, I just need to release some anxiety and do like a neurographic type art. And yeah, so it's just a simple exercise to just concentrate on what I'm making and not what I'm feeling or where my mind's at. My mind has been in so many different places, trying to downsize everything, get rid of things, and really shredding all this paperwork that I've had to hold on to for so long in life for various reasons. And it's been difficult, but this really helped me to just sit and be in peace and reestablish myself, to remind myself this year it's all about release. And that's what I've been doing, is just releasing so many things and things that I have enjoyed that I am getting rid of. I'm doing that thankful thing, like I'm saying thank you to it and then letting it go, giving it away, throwing it away, wherever it needs to, whatever pile it goes into. So it's just been so interesting these last few weeks, and I wanted to share this with you, and maybe this will help you. The soothing music that goes along with it, and just watching the way that pen glides on the paper. Maybe it could help you. Maybe it's something you want to check out and do yourselves. So I'll leave it to you and let you do the video. Enjoy.